Hi everyone, welcome back to Quillbot TV, your go-to place for staying ahead in tech. In today's video, I'll be showing you 5 essential tools every human, especially creative, should know in order to stay creative, stay more productive, and more efficient in handling different and multiple tasks. Whether you're creating content, brainstorming ideas, organizing projects, or sharing suggestions, these tools are going to be helpful and beneficial to you. By the end of this video, you'll be able to know what tool to use, how to use it, and how they can be of importance to you in the particular niche you intend to use them. Stay tuned and let's get started. The first and most important tool here is ChatGPT by OpenAI. ChatGPT is an all-in-one AI assistant application that helps you solve numerous questions. This is perfect for creative individuals, examiners, students, and workers. You can use ChatGPT to solve critical questions, ask it numeric questions, it can help you to plan your day, it can help you to draft scripts and activities you need to do. And it's perfect for those that want to venture into creative field. The second tool on the list is InVideo AI. InVideo AI is an AI-powered video creation tool, meaning that with this tool, you can be able to create any video of your choice just by typing in text of what you want it to do. To get started, by logging into the website www.invideo.io, and you'll be able to have access to where you can type in your text, and after which you convert to your videos. You can also navigate to see different templates of already existing videos and you export your work. It's so easy. This is ideal for content creators and marketers who intend to market their products and videos without actually spending much in doing that. The third tool on our list is Quillbot. Quillbot is an AI tool for paraphrasing and also a writing assistant. With this tool, whenever you have any message copied, you can easily paraphrase it to suit your text without anyone knowing that that text was actually copied. This tool is perfect for students, examiners, teachers, professors, and also workers. With this tool, all you need to do is to copy your text, paste it in the text field, and then click on convert to convert your text to a more suitable and meaningful text. To get started, go to the website www.quillbot.com, paste in your message, and then you are good to go. It is great for content creators, students, teachers, those that really want a concise and clear messages without beating around the bush. The fourth tool on our list is durable.co. Durable is a perfect tool for creating websites powered by AI. With this tool, you don't need to pay anybody money to create websites for your business or for your industry. This tool is perfect for creators, creatives who actually are looking for a platform whereby they will unleash and showcase their business, showcase their work or in means of portfolio, or for individuals who have small businesses and they want something that will be able to make their brand look official without even spending any money. So this tool is really perfect and very easy to use. All you need to do is to create an account. You have a series of templates where you edit, put in the text of your choice, put in the color of your choice, add in pictures where necessary, and click on upload, and then you'll be given access to the link. And with this link, you can share it to your friends, put it on your social media page, and people can actually see your goods, see your product, or see information about you for free. Whether it's for portfolio, business websites, church activities, or for personal branding, durable.co is perfect for that without even learning to code. And this is actually perfect for those who are really scared of coding or learning a programming language, yet they really want to become a web designer. This is perfect for you. The last tool we have on our list today is Runway ML. Runway ML is an AI tool for editing videos. This is very, very lovely and does complex tasks such as changing video background, adding VFX, adding special effects, and also generating videos by using text. All you need to do is by importing your video inside this tool and then allowing it to do some specific tasks such as erasing the background, adding some special effects, and also you can customize your video using text. All you need to do to get access is by exploring the options and signing up on their website, and then you have access to edit videos of your choice without even learning how to edit any video. This tool is perfect for YouTubers, content creators, and those that are actually in a haste to create videos without actually ready to pass through the stress of what it takes to create one. And that's it. The 5 essential AI tools that will help you to boost your productivity, stay creative, and boost your efficiency. I would love to hear from you in the comment section. Which of these tools do you think will be more beneficial to you? Tell me, and I promise to reply you. If this video was helpful to you, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to share, and please don't forget to subscribe. See you guys next time and have a wonderful day. Bye.